What kind of influence do you think music is having on our youth?
I want to stand up and say that I think that music is having a negative effect on a lot of youth.
Most times we hear of crimes in places like Laventille and Mocha.
Yeah.
Do you think it is confined to these communities?
No, it's not, but there are certain kinds of crimes that are embedded there.
E-waste, also known as electronic waste, is a term used for electronic products that have become unwanted and have reached the end of their useful life.